everyone, this is Bagger Don. It is Monday. Little demonstration going on here today for us. Hope you guys are enjoying this. It's Monday, August 9th at about 12:14, and we all know that gold has been monkey hammered. It got monkey hammered on Friday, it got hit again last night, and it's getting a little hit today. I want to be a buyer of gold. I want to buy into some of this panic selling. And I'm not using a chart. I'm using a tool that we call the SMC, Stock Market Caddy Trade Generator Out of Bounds Trigger, or otherwise known as OBO. Now I got a couple of choices to make here. What I'm watching is the gold contract on a 15-minute interval. It's trading at 1727. It's down 35 points from the open. It is pushing into a panic sell situation. I want to let that continue. Ideally, OBO will trigger a buy signal. Now it's hard to say exactly when that's going to be, but OBO is a specially designed algo to pick up on extreme sells or extreme buying euphoria and sets up for a counter trade. So I have a choice to make. I can wait for the OBO to trigger. It may or may not. And you can see where this can really help with one's patience. Because if you have a multitude of markets that you're prepared to trade, then you can wait, for hours at a time and wait for the optimum entry. If you are intent on trading just one market, then you could get a little itchy trigger finger, as I have a little bit as we push down in here, and I'm thinking that this might be a really good place to pick up on a 15-minute basis a long gold contract, because I can tell the trend axis is 1739. If we just get a move back on a 15-minute to 1740 or so, I stand to pick up about $1,200. So we're going to go ahead, despite the fact that I don't have the OBO, I'm going to go ahead on the basis of where I am here and take this trade, or a trade, and I'm in. Now my stop, I don't want to risk on this type of trade more than 2 or 3 points, which for gold would be about $200 or $300. I'm going to try to get a move back. And now YouTube only gives us so much time, and I don't want to keep you guys in a 10-minute YouTube video just watching this. So I will pause the YouTube video at 12:17. It is the 9th. We're in that trade, and I will come back and show you the outcome when we're ready to make the next move. And just to come in and give you a little update. Now, we had a drawdown of about $370. For the gold contract mini, that's really no big deal. I'm staying with this trade. It's a counter, and it is 1243. So we've been in it for a little bit. We think there's, a really good likelihood over the next 20 15-minute segments, which is going to take us out, quite a bit, a few hours, up into 1738. Which would be the trend's axis point. It's a reversion to mean trade. We're getting in front of all the panic selling, taking a little bit of heat, and it won't be unlimited. We're not going to drop, $1,000 or so. I was originally thinking 200, 300, thereabouts, but that 370 was only there very briefly. I'm okay with that. I think that might be the near-term low on the 15-minute. I don't have a specific OBO trigger, but I was so eager in here where we're positioned and so confident in this tool, we went ahead and got it. So we're gonna again save YouTube time and come back with the outcome on this trade here, hopefully in a little bit. Okay, everyone, we're back. It is now 2:16 in the afternoon, August 9th, And we put this trade on earlier. We'll bring our little tool back up here. This was the 15-minute on gold, and if you recall, just now this video is only a few minutes, but this is stretched over an hour or two. We were in here. We had a drawdown of $370 that you see, and we're now had a high watermark of 330, and we're up about 300. That's a kind of a 1-for-1. We're had a risk of about 300. We're up about 300, and we said that it was likely that we would come back to the trend axis of 1732.33, and we're currently at 1731.7. So we're going to do what? We're going to hit this and pocket the 300 bucks. I'm Bagadon at stockmarketcaddy.com. If you like what you hear, if you like what you see, which is rules-based, computerized, back-tested, forward-tested, mechanical, repeatable trading. We don't win on every single trade, but our trading, we're so mechanical, is we want to keep the ball in play and play a good competitive round each and every day, each and every week. If you're interested in how you can get these tools on your desktop, you might want to give me a call or visit stockmarketcaddy.com, and my phone number is 813-752-8820. We hope you're having a good day and a good week. Check in anytime.